Now we'll see about variables. Okay, variables in shell scripting. We'll also cover one option or one command called as read, which gets the value from end user. So let's run this script. Okay, so suppose we saw that shell was one of the variable, the default variable echo dollar. So using dollar we can get the value of that particular variable. So always think of dollar as value of, and then we say echo on the screen value of shell. Okay, so it is echoing bin bash. Okay, suppose I set name. Okay, but suppose I haven't set name. Okay, echo dollar, not dollar, echo name. It will print it on the screen as it is. That's what echo command does. And if I try to get its value dollar, okay, it will show empty response. It will give an empty response. Why? Because that variable is not defined, and until and unless it is defined, okay, we cannot get its value. And it is not even an environmental or a system variable like shell, so the output is 0. Now suppose I have give name equal to James. Okay, and when I do echo, only echo, it will just echo the name only. And when I add dollar to it, means get the value of that particular variable, it will see it on the screen. But it is always recommended to add it in double quotes. Okay, so we'll most of the times follow this, and just to echo dollar name. Okay, now if I do age equal to 25, let it in. The strings are written in double quotes, string, and the numbers we do not prefer editing in the double quotes. And echo edge, okay, it will just print as it is, but to get the value just add dollar to it and we can get its value as well. Okay, so the same thing is done in this script. Okay, so let's run this script. Cat vars.sh. So we can make it executable using chmod 755 vars.sh. Okay. Then just to bash vars.sh, and it will show it on the screen as it is. Uh, it will just give the values, actually value of name and the value of age variable. Okay, so these two variables are defined, and then on the screen we just display it. So name will be printed as it is on the screen. Dollar name will get its value again. Comma will be printed as it is on the screen. Age also will be printed on the screen, or this much age colon, and its value is also printed on the screen. Now let's learn about the read command. Okay, so the read command is for getting the input from the end user. Okay, so what we will do is we'll ask the end user to enter the city name. Okay, and we will define a variable called city, and we'll read its value. So whatever the end user enters for the first time, okay, remember, the for the first time, that will be taken as the input for the city variable, and that will be outputted on the screen. Why I'm saying for the first time? Okay, because after that if we set any other value, that value will be taken. Okay, so let's run this script. Cat read.sh. So whatever value it enters, the end user read.sh. Okay, it's asking to enter your city. I'll enter my city. Okay, and it will just give the value of city on the screen. So automatically it uh, assign that variable to this city variable. Whatever we entered, that is entered into the city variable, and then using $city, that is the value of city. What is the value of city? Pune. It displayed out on the screen. So read is also very important to get input from the end user. Similarly, a few more scripts are given. Okay, so we'll take some of them, not all. Others you can practice. So let get this greeting message. Okay, cat greet dot sh. So we are asking end user to enter your name, and again that is it's doing hello name. That's it. So just run it, bash greet dot sh. Okay, enter your name. Okay, and it will say hello. So we can also perform some arithmetic calculation. Okay, so to get the file information, this is the example. Okay, let's take this one as well. Cat file.sh. So here $1. Okay, we'll be learning about it in the command line arguments and all. Okay, but still for your reference, $1 means value of 1. What is 1? It is an argument. Okay, so whatever argument we pass on to the variable, that will be taken as, that will be stored in a file name variable. Okay, so here let's run it, bash file.sh. Okay, so why it is giving an error? We did not enter any argument to the script. Okay, so just try to give any name. So we just give read.sh. Okay, so what it will do is it will ask for an argument. So this is the first argument. Script itself is considered as a 0th argument. So if I write here $0, then it will take file1.sh and it will give its details, or you can say permission details. Okay, so $1 means the value of the argument, which the first argument which we pass on to the script. So for the script, the first argument is read.sh and it gave the output of ls-l, that read.sh on the screen. Okay, so this $0 means the script itself. Okay, $1 means the first argument and $2 means the second argument. But as of now, we have used only the first argument here. Okay. Now let's do some arithmetic calculation as well. Then you can do cat sum.sh. Bash sum.sh. Okay, so what it is doing, we have set value for number 1 as 10 and value for number 2 as 5. Okay, then we use sum, okay, this as an output variable where it will get the value of, if you see, dollar means value of number 1 plus number 2, but we have to write it in a curly bracket, round bracket, otherwise it will not give proper output. So this is one of the arithmetic operator. Plus we can also write minus there. Okay, and it will give the difference or subtraction. So the sum of 10 and 5 is 15. Okay, so this, in this, what is important, in round bracket, okay, double round bracket, we have added the sum. So it will first do the calculation here. Okay, and whatever value it gets, that is 15, or you can say number 1 and number 2's value output, it will just sum it on the screen. That's why one more round bracket is added here. Okay, so you can also practice this all variables. Okay,